Hey guys, I recently came across a YouTube video talking about a Panda touch by a big tree tech and I knew I needed it. So I did what every YouTuber would have done. I reached out to Big Tree Tech asking them if they were willing to send me one free of charge in exchange of a review, and to my amazement, they agreed. So today I'm going to do a review and a teardown of the Panda touch and we'll see if you should buy one. So let's begin. So yes, I have already opened it, but because I had to test obviously, but yeah. So we have a little sticker. We have the thank you card and the manual. So it comes with that. So here it is. Let's turn it on. We now need to connect the Panda Touch to our Wi-Fi, so we can click on our Wi-Fi name and then we can enter our password. After this we can click on OK and then next. So when we are on this page we can click on scan, so it will scan the printer in our local network. This may take some time. So when the scan is finished, you can click on your printer and then click on confirm and enter your access code, which you can find in the settings of the printer. You then need to click on OK. And then confirm. So the interface of the two are about the same. Let's see. I wanna open the light. So we cannot see it much right now, but when I toggle this, it actually opens the light on and off. So you can also go to there, they are almost the same. And you also have filaments. And you have them here. For the files, they're about the same too. the settings are different. So here we have all the firmware thing. We also have for the network. They are almost the same too. The maintenance, well, the Panda Touch does not have it. So that's something you'll have unless. There's also the printer, which we don't have in there. It's only the help thing. And yeah, that's pretty much that. So there is a bug right now where when I finished, it quit and then it recomes. I'll try to talk with Big Tech about that. But yeah. Now if I go there, temperature and axis. So it's actually moving. So we are now going to make the teardown. On the Panda Touch there are no screws, but I found that it opens by the display. So I've already opened mine, but if you plan on doing this, you should really be careful as the display may break really easily. So now we need to remove the flex cable so that we don't break the display, obviously. Now I will unscrew the 3 screws. We will now remove the 2 cables for the battery charging.
To the inside. These.
The Panda Touch uses the ESP32S3 for the microcontroller. Also, for the battery it uses a 3.7 volt LiPo battery. So, if you have a P1S or a P1P, I really suggest that you buy one, since for only $59 I think that's a really good price to have a better experience with your printer and to improve the functionalities. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and also make sure to stay tuned for my next videos as I'll be covering some pretty interesting stuff.